Hello, hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I am going to show you how to change a username of Facebook page account. So it's quite easy process. So let's get started. So step number 1, log into your Facebook account and click on this profile icon, and from here select the page where you want to change the username. So in my case it will be Gym India. Click here. The page is already selected, so make sure you go to the selected page, and then you can click once again to the account option and then go to the setting and privacy option. Click the settings. This will take you to the page setting, and now you can simply see this option, username. Click on the edit, and here you can write down any username. So it should be available. If it's not available, then you'll be not getting it. For example, Ronaldo is popular word, so I'm sure it's not available. So here you can see it's not available, but if I write something like this, it's available. So make sure you write down the only available. Now you have to write down your password also. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. This is how you change the username or get the username.